Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Eric Tolman here, and I have been talking about this potential winter snowstorm for southeast Michigan. And right now we're talking about the snow amounts, and we're also talking about how impacted it's going to affect Michigan. So basically, I just wanted to go over this really quick, and then I've got the rest of the updates on the potential winter storm impact. So there's a lot more to come. This is actually a snow amount valid from Monday, November the 30th, 2020, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to Tuesday, December the 1st, 2020, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, let's go ahead and go forward with this. So let's get started. Okay, what do all these different colors mean? Well, let me explain this to you. The different colors just basically it's giving you the potential of what to expect for a potential winter storm. So basically, let's go over this really quick because I have other stuff that has to get up, and I'm trying to get caught up here because I know there's a lot going on with this, and I'm trying to focus on next week's uh, bigger snowstorm. So I've got a lot on my plate. I have been on this around the clock. So it's been a really, really long day for me, and night and all that kind of stuff. So I've been really, really busy, guys. So in the lighter blue, that just indicates that there is limited impacts, and then that's in the lighter blue. And in the yellow, you can see that there's actually some yellow right there. So that means that some spots in Michigan will have some minor impacts because of the winter storm. So that means that there'll be impacts like traffic and all that kind of stuff, and a whole bunch of other things. And I'll have to basically find other information so then that way I can explain to you what those impacts mean and everything. But I'm just letting you know right now that this section right here that's in yellow will have minor impacts because of the winter storm potential. So that's in yellow. Moderate winter storm potential is in orange. Major winter storm potential is in red. And then for extreme potential for a winter storm impact, that is in purple. So just want to tell you basically that's what's going on. And this is actually day 2 for the snow amount outlook that is valid from Monday, November the 30th, 2020, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to Tuesday, December the 1st, 2020, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to subscribe, like, and stay tuned for the latest forecast. I do appreciate everyone that has been tuning in to this. I've got more weather coverage and more on this potential storm. So we'll be focusing on the storm number 1, which is the one that's developing in the south. And just to let you know that that storm system is expected to strengthen, so I'm going to try and look up some stuff and see where we're at as far as statuses go. And then we will also be talking about the snow total amount as well. I'm going to go and bring that up, and then we're going to look at GFS models and figure out exactly where we are at as far as the potential snowstorm for Michigan. And just to let you know, we do not have any winter weather advisories, watches, or warnings or anything up at this time. You'll actually get an update on that if that does happen. But for right now, the weather is very, very nice indeed. Nice and sunny, but it is very chilly outside. So, so I'm just giving you guys up to date information currently right now, and that's where we stand. Stay tuned. After I wrap all this up, I will have snow totals up between 4:30 and 5 o'clock. I thought I'd give it time because I'm waiting to see if we can get an actual snow total amount. We're getting there. It just takes time. Stay tuned for all of that, and I'll see you guys again at 2:45.